Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is why most people fail to make money online. So, if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Now, let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to make a passive income for yourself. So, if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. Also, hit that notification bell so that way you will get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. Now, let's get into the fact and why most people fail to make any money online. You see, most of the people, when they want to start an online business or just make money online in general, the very first thing that they do is they start with the money first. So what they do is they go into Facebook groups and they start telling people to click on their links even though they have no reason why they should click on their link. They go into all sorts of, into comments or videos to tell people to click on there that will make their life way better and all sorts of different things like that. And it doesn't work like that because people don't know you, they have no idea why you're doing this and all that stuff. Then they go into they pay for different free traffic sources, which doesn't make sense because if it's free they don't pay for it, but they'll pay for a traffic source that's cheap. They'll do all sorts of different things like that. But the thing is, they have everything upside down, and that's why they're not making any money, because you have to start with the audience first. You have to build an audience. If you don't build an audience, there's no way you're going to make any money online. It's just like having a shop in the middle of nowhere. It doesn't work. Nobody will buy anything because nobody is there to watch it. And even if you do run into the streets and show someone like buy this, buy this, buy this, chances are they won't be doing that. So that's essentially what most people are doing. That's like online, what they're doing online is kind of what that would look like if they were doing this in real life. So you really have to look at the audience first. Now if you look at all these people like Tai Lopez, even if most people don't hate him, he's a genius when it comes to running ads and doing proper audience first type of content, and that's why he's able to afford a big house. And yes, this is his house, these are his cars, and like anything that you want. You might not like the guy, but believe me, he absolutely knows what he's doing, and he's doing it by building an audience before he does anything else. If you look at Grant Cardone, he does exactly the same. He posts about 4 videos a day. And that's insane even to me. Like, I post every day, that's a lot of work, but he does this 4 times a day. If you look at Gary Vee, same thing. They put their content out first. And that's what they've been doing since the beginning. They start with creating content. And Gary Vee talks a lot about this. And the reason is because that's the way to do it. People don't relate to companies, they relate to people. So if you're someone in front of a camera and people are interested in you, and then you send people emails, then they will know who you are. They'll look at their emails and actually be interested in what you have to say in these emails, because when you know who it is, it's much more interesting. And unless you're like sending emails, just spamming all the time, they know who you are, so they'll be interested and maybe buy something that you're advertising or whatever. But if it's a company and Microsoft sends you an email, it's most likely that it's just going to go straight to spam or whatever you want to do with it, but there's a good chance that you're not going to actually read it. So if you watch Gary Vee, he's been putting out content all the time. He's responding to comments, he's doing all these things, and that's the same thing I do, unless like it's an old video or something. But if you comment my videos within the first 48 hours, there's a good chance that I'll be answering it. And the reason is I want to connect with my audience. And that's what everybody should do. And just build an audience, connect with your audience, and that's the best way that you're going to make money. But you don't want to make money right away. A lot of people just do that and then expect to make a ton of money, but you want to build your audience before you start to make any money and actually even want to make any money. And once you have the audience, what's amazing about this is the money part is just going to be so much easier. It's a bit hard to build an audience, it takes some time, but once you have it built up, then it's just so easy to actually make money. If you look at Gary Vee, he's like, I'm putting out these shoes, and next thing, they're all sold out, and he sold like so many, and he didn't even hard pitch to anybody. He just said, I've got these new shoes out, and that's about it. And then everybody just goes and buy his shoes. And that's because he has an audience that he provided so much value to them that they're just going to buy it from him. You see, you were born with everything you need to make any money, especially if you're watching this video, if you live in a first world country, if you have a computer and an internet connection, and even if it's not at your home, if you have an internet connection at McDonald's, that works out. So if you have these two things, you can make money online, but you just have to stop spamming people, because that is the way that you're not going to make money. That's going to delay your success. So if you want to really build something and really make some money online, the best way to do this is to build an audience first. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button. Also, leave me a comment. I always appreciate these. Make sure that you do subscribe and hit that notification bell, because you know, I'm trying to grow my audience, just like I said. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel, because I've got plenty of content to come. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.